and welcome to Owen's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share how to make delicious trifle. This is perfect for any occasion. That will be a wonderful dessert. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the base. Here I have a 1 pack of jelly. Of course, you can use any type of jelly you want to and follow the package instructions. And then I'm going to stir them until they're completely dissolved. So start with, you need large glass bowl. Now I'm going to start with the base. Here I have a strawberry Swiss roll. You can use any cake you like. I'm going to arrange it on the bottom of the bowl. Now I'm going to gently pour it over the jelly and place it in the fridge to completely set. That will take about 2 hours. Now moving on to the next step, I'm going to make homemade custard. Of course you can buy it ready-made custard, but it will never taste like homemade. Here I have 4 egg yolks, add in some 100 grams of sugar. Mix this all till it's well combined. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Corn flour thicken the custard. Mix it up again till gets nice and creamy texture. Now into the saucepan over medium heat, I'm going to add 700 milliliters of full milk. Into the milk, I'm going to add double cream, about 200 milliliters. Stir constantly, just almost to a boil, not boiling hot. If you like to have a better flavor custard, best way to use full fat milk and cream. It gives better texture and flavor. I'm going to pour a little bit of hot milk into here. If you put it all in once, it's going to end up with scrambled eggs. Then slowly a little bit of more. Give a mix around. Now pour mixture straight into the milk. Keep stirring over medium heat until it's thickened. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Constantly stir it, do not leave it for a second. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes. This is easy to make with simple ingredients. Check the list here. This already thickened up. Now let it cool down. My jelly completely set. I'm going to start with next filling. I will be using canned fruit for the next layer, but you can add fresh fruit or any fruit you want to. I'm going to use half of this and the rest I'm going to keep for the top layer. Now I'm going to add some custard. Make sure it has cooled down. Now I'm going to leave it in the fridge about 30 to 40 minutes. Now I'm going to stand them around the other layer of cake. Then going to add remaining fruits and rest of the custard over the top. This is a top layer. I'm going to finish with grated chocolate and going to use whipped cream edges to create a border and decorate with cherries and strawberries. Finally, pop that in the fridge to set for a few hours or overnight for the best results. sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to click the bell icon and you will be notified when I upload a new recipe. It looks great, it tastes amazing. This trifle ready for any occasions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.